sausage meat on. And a little bit of oil again over the top. If we get our rolling pin and we roll our sausage meat out, that was the reason why I said put it on this for the minute. There we are, pull that back. And I want really this to be the same size as the pastry. So we're not doing 3 bad with that like that for the minute. Okay, put that there. Let's get our sage. Because everybody likes pork, everybody likes stuffing. It smells Christmassy. Open up half puff pastry all the way. Pop the puff pastry on the top. Are you ready? Scary bit. Scary bit. Oh, there we are. Number 2. There it is.
Sail anywhere if it's hard, but I got the dream that's making me beam. It's you, me, and mistletoe. I'll dream of a Christmas tree lit up with a gift for me. But this I insist
huge
is top of the list. It's you, me,
sausage
mistletoe, twinkling lights,
and stuffing
crackling fire. Let's watch
sausage roll.
the snow. Wintry nights full of desire that dreams only know. Don't you know, this song is for you, my dear. This Christmas I long to hear that finally the dream is more than a dream about you.
That's what we're left with. Just need to get some egg wash on them and then get them in the oven.
I'll dream of a happy throng, good friends and a Christmas song. But perfect for me is a party of 3. That's you, me, and mistletoe. I'll listen to children sing, no doubt in the joy they bring. But my heart's desire is away from the choir. It's you, me, and mistletoe. Jingling bells, cozy hotels, we're dressed for snow. All that I miss is a Christmassy kiss from an angel I know. This Christmas, hold up on that private jet. It ain't made me happy yet, but holding you near is the height of my year. Yes, you, me, and mistletoe. I'll dream of our rendezvous, our evergreen spot for 2. This Christmas a dream will come true for you, me, and mistletoe.